It's been great having a spring and somewhat of some consistent days for us, and we've been fortunate enough to get a lot more rounds in. And while some of the teams we are going to be seeing were at an event, that didn't matter to us because we had rounds amongst the girls, and you know, the practice with the men's team is very beneficial. And so I think, you know, that's a great mindset that we have right now going into conference that we haven't really had in years past, that as far as weather has permitted. Yeah, you know, it's definitely a mixed bag as far as our lineup goes. There's the three anchors, I guess I'd refer to them as, is Stacy and Emily Wood and Sam. Each of them have been to conference multiple times and know the environment, know what to expect, and then also coming or having played at this course last year, I think it gives them tremendous confidence as far as knowing what to expect, and just kind of not letting all the hype get to the rest of the team. This past week has been a real dogfight to see who is going to be in the lineup, and I really stressed to the team that the girls who are going to go are going to be on their game and ready to go, and golf is a game of streaks, and it's been so great to see them push each other and to really have a very positive, competitive environment. And I think that, you know, I'm really going to rely heavily on our leaders to set the tone for consistency. You know, we don't have to be brilliant, we don't have to be perfect, but we do need to be very mentally disciplined, and I think the scores will show in that type of, I guess, attitude and environment.